In this class, let us discuss the new topic auto boxing and unboxing. In Java 1.5, Java added concept of auto boxing and unboxing that deal with conversion of primitive type to object and vice versa. So here this auto boxing will be converting the primitive data type into object and objects can be converted into primitive type. So the term auto boxing refers to the auto conversion of primitive type to its corresponding object type. For example, conversion of integer type to integer object or character type to character object. This conversion is done implicitly by the Java compiler during program execution. In the same context, when an object converts to its corresponding primitive type, then it is called unboxing. For example, conversion of integer type to int type or byte type to byte type, etc. Java automatically performs this conversion during program execution. Example of auto boxing. In this example, we are assigning an integer type value to integer object and notice compiler does not report any error because it performs auto boxing here. So class demo public static void main string arguments integer I equal to 100 auto boxing of int that is converting primitive data type into a wrapper class integer system.out.println I character ch equal to a system.out.println ch byte b equal to 12 system.out.println b. So when it is executed, the output is 10 A 1 2. So whenever we use object of wrapper class in an expression, auto boxing is done by JVM. This will happen always when we use wrapper class objects in expressions or conditions, etc. Let us see another example. Auto boxing in collection. Import java.util.arraylist class demo public static void main string arguments arraylist integer arraylist equal to new arraylist integer arraylist dot add 100 auto boxing into integer arraylist dot add 200 arraylist dot add 300 for integer I colon arraylist system dot out dot println I. So when the above program is executed, output is 100, 200, 300. In the same manner, we can perform unboxing. Let us see an example. In this example, we use array list to store integer type values. Since array list stores only object, then it automatically converts int type to integer and store the elements. If we fetch the elements of it returns object type and if we use store it into primitive integer type then automatically converts integer to int type. See the below example. Import java.util.arraylist class demo public static void main string arguments arraylist equal to new arraylist dot add 100 auto boxing integer to integer arraylist dot add 200 arraylist dot add 300 for integer I colon arraylist system dot out dot println unboxing integer to integer type integer first arraylist dot get 0 system dot out dot println integer value plus first. So when the above program is executed, you will get 100, 200, 300 integer value. Since we are choosing first, so it is 100. So benefits of auto boxing and unboxing. Autoboxing or unboxing lets us use primitive types and wrapper class objects interchangeably. We don't have to perform explicit typecasting. It helps prevent errors but may lead to unexpected results sometimes, hence, must be used with care. Autoboxing also allows you to mix different types of numeric objects in an expression. When the values are unboxed, the standard type conversions can be applied. Let us see another example. Class demo, public static void main, string arguments, integer I equal to 35, double d equal to 33.3, d equal to d plus I. System.out.println, value of d is, the output of above program is, value of d is sum of those two, it is 68.3. So when the statement d equal to d plus I was executed, I was auto unboxed into integer, d was auto unboxed into double, addition was performed, and then finally auto boxing of d was done into double type wrapper class. Auto boxing and unboxing in method. We can see how auto boxing and unboxing take place in a method. And notice, during method call we passed integer type primitive value, but method accepts only integer objects. So here JVM does auto boxing implicitly, and notice this method returns an integer type primitive, which is another conversion from integer to integer type. So class demo, auto boxing in parameters, static int add integer a, integer b, unboxing in return a plus b. Public static void main, string argument, integer sum add 10 comma 20, system.out.println, sum equal to plus sum. So when the above program is executed, output is sum equal to 30.